Hello everyone, welcome back to GovZ Travels. Today we are going to take you to the beautiful Shamma Park in Dubai. Dubai has a variety of public parks that cater to different interests. Whether you're looking for relaxation, recreation, or family friendly activities, Shamma Park near Al Mizar is one of the popular parks in Dubai, featuring walking paths, play areas for children, and sports facilities. It's a quieter option compared to some of the larger parks. Exploring Shamma Park in Dubai can be a delightful experience. Here are some tips to make the most of your visit. Planning your visit in the early morning or late afternoon is ideal to avoid the heat. You can either use public transport or drive yourselves to reach the park. There are plenty of free parking spots available all around the park. The park provides a well-maintained rubber path for walking or jogging. The park is filled with a large number of trees, providing a lot of shaded areas, enabling abundant picnic spots. Find a quiet spot for a picnic or to relax under the trees. If you have kids, check out the playgrounds and family areas. You can participate in outdoor workouts or yoga sessions as well, as the park facility provides jungle gyms. You can capture the beautiful landscapes and the unique features of the park if you're a photography enthusiast. Look out for local birds and other wildlife. Washroom facilities are provided for your convenience. You can either bring your own snacks or check for nearby cafes to grab a bite. Check the park schedule for any events, workshops, or community activities that might be happening during your visit. Please keep the park clean by disposing of trash properly and be respectful of others enjoying the park. You can also ask locals or park staff for tips on the best spots or hidden gems within the park, as the park is quite big. Enjoy your time at Shamma Park. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for more interesting updates. Please do not forget to like and share our video with your friends and family. See you next time.